English class for today. Today is October 19, 2020. This is Miss Mafer Ramirez. Let's begin. The adjective for today is use negative verbs and ask answers questions. Use a simple present for habits, routines, and things that are generally true. In negative form, you use don't with I, you, we, they plus the verb. For example, we don't spend all the time in a classroom. Okay, here we have the auxiliary don't. Okay, it's in negative. Use doesn't with he, she, it plus verb. The school doesn't. What happened here? Doesn't believe. What happened with this word believe? Okay, the word believe it's in the base forms because we have the auxiliary do in the third person it with es. Okay, you can learn everything in a school. Questions. Use do. Notice do or does before the subject plus the verb. For example, do you like it? Does the school have classrooms? Okay. Notice that the auxiliary do is the same in negative form. If you have does, the verb is in the base form. Okay, in the short answers, you have yes, I do. Remember, I do. Yes, he does. Or in negative, no, I don't. Or no, no, it doesn't. Because it's a third person. Here you have a little chart about the structure of the simple present in question. Okay, here we have do and does. Okay. You use do with I, you, we, and they, but you use does with he, she, and it. Okay. In affirmative, you have to you speak English. Okay. In questions, do you remember? Do you speak English? In the third person, he speaks English. Does he speak? The S, no, it's incorrect. Speak English, okay? The base form of the infinitive, it's with go, want, and like is go, speak, live, and look. The third person verbs lose the final else in questions, okay? And questions word. This is another type of question, okay? Another kind of questions. This is a WH question. When we use the WH questions, what you asking about a thing? For example, what is your favorite color? When you use asking about a time of an event or activity. For example, when, remember, when do you wake up? Every day. Remember that when you use the WH question in the first place is the WH question, then the auxiliary, the subject, and then the verb, okay? And complement. Where can I obtain the book? Where using asking about a place, and who asking about a person, who is at the door, or a subject. And here we have another. Why? Asking for a person. Why do you remember do? Remember do and remember the verb. Why do you say that? How? Asking about a procedure or method. How was your exam? Okay, here we have a little practice, okay? And here write the complete questions, and you have to write the questions, and then you have to complete the text with the simple present form of the verb. Here is the exercise already do, okay? And then you have to complete the questions with the questions words in the box and use each word once, okay? You have to do this in the class, okay? And thank you for coming to your English class for today. See you tomorrow on Wednesday.